In the competitive landscape of manufacturing, optimizing efficiency isn't just desirable, it's essential. But how can manufacturing companies streamline their processes, minimize downtime, and maximize productivity? This is where Hi-Temp Fabrication's kitting process can help. The kitting process acts as a one-stop shop for all your project material and custom fabrication needs. We have expertise in providing for various industries, whether it's for big or small projects. Hi-Temp has a capability to kit materials for projects, regardless of application or size. We package kits in a way that is fitting and safe for the specific assembly parts, in a well-constructed crate made in-house by our fabrication team. From materials like Trespa top lap to Rockwell insulation, all materials can be placed in one purchase order. We will custom cut and fabricate pieces to your exact specifications and deliver them with the appropriate documentation. How we package the custom cut project materials together allows for easier ordering, receiving, and tracing. All orders we receive have an engineer's focus on them. Our team of application engineers will guide you through the specs of your custom requests, and they will closely monitor the order to make sure your assets arrive exactly how you need them. Don't let inefficiencies in your supply chain hold you back. Work with Hi-Temp Fabrication and expect accuracy and efficiency for your custom fabrication needs.